If you're going to start as a first-generation farmer and try to farm the conventional way of raising cattle on a feedlot or raising pigs in a hog barn or on a lot, or you're going to raise corn and soybeans, you're going to grow those crops, dude, it's too hard. So I would say you have to find a way to maybe go the regenerative route, direct to consumer, ag tourism.
Probably the best way is get a plat book and go down the road of what people are out there that still own a farm. If they're of the right age, I'd go door to door, because there are so many farmers out there that have no errors, that have no plan as to what they're going to do.